Bismillah. Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 4.2 question number 13. We can easily see that this is not same as this term. X square plus 6x and x square minus 2x, these are not the same. We want to find basically we want to find these two terms as same. So if these terms are same, then we consider easily. If we then we consider easily as variable in the form of y, then it make our whole equation easier. So first of all, we will break the midterm. After making the term, we have pair, and pair give us these term same. So we will factorize. First of all, we will factorize x square plus 6x minus 27 and x square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 385. 27, first of all, we'll make the factor of 27. This is coefficient, x square coefficient is 1 and this is 27. 27 multiply 1, but it gives minus 27. Now we'll make the factor of 27. 3 9s are 27. Which numbers are divisible? 27. 3 9s are 27. 4 5 6 7 8 10. So factors are 3 and 9. So if we plus 9, if we minus this term, it gives 26 and it gives 6. So factors are plus 9 and minus 3. Why we write positive sign with 9? Because greater value with positive sign, because here is positive 6. So we put greater value with positive sign. Plus minus minus sign greater value. So the factors are x square plus 9x minus 3x minus 27. Now next 35. 35 into 1, coefficient of square is 1. 1 multiply 35, but it gives 35. So factors are 3, 4, 5, 5, 7s are 35. There is no more factor. The 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2. This term is minus 2, so we put greater value with negative sign. Plus 5. Plus minus minus 7 minus 5, 2. Sign greater value is minus. So the factors are x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 equal to 385. Now we'll make pair x. From this term x is common. What is left? X plus 9 is left. Minus 3 is common. Minus minus plus x, 3 1s are 3. Minus minus plus 3 9s are 27. Now from this term x is common. X minus 7 is left. X is left, minus x is common and 7 is left, plus 5. 5 is common from these two terms. 5 1s are 5 minus 5 7s are 35. So x minus 3 and x plus 9. X minus 7 and x plus 5. Now we will make factor plus 9 minus 7 plus 2 and plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. So the factors, so the pairs becomes x minus 3 and x plus 5 and x plus 9 and x minus 7. Plus 5 minus 3 become plus 2 and plus 9 minus 9 becomes plus 2. So if we multiply, what we will get? X square plus 2x minus 15. Similarly, when we multiply these two terms, what we will get? X square plus 2x minus 63. Now this term and these two terms are same, so we suppose. So we consider x square plus 2x is equal to y. When we consider, our equation become easier. Y minus 15 and y minus 63. 385, 385, 385, 385 is equal to 385, 5. Now we multiply, but we will get y square minus minus plus 63 plus 15 minus 78 plus 63, 15s are 16, 63, 15s are 945 is equal to 385. Y square minus, sorry, not 78y, minus 78y plus 945. When we will take 385 in the right side, positive sign becomes negative sign is equal to 0. Now we'll subtract these two, what we'll get 0, 6, 560. So y square minus 78y plus 560 equal to 0. Multiply 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 6. 7 8s are 0. 9 sorry 8 7s are 56, 0. So the factor are 70 and 8. 70 plus 8, 78. So factors are y square minus 8y minus 70y minus minus plus 560 equal to 0. Now we will take common y minus 8 minus 70. Why we take minus 7 minus common? Because constant with the negative sign, so it means we will take minus common. Y minus minus plus minus plus minus 78 are 560. So y minus 8 and y minus 17. First of all we will take y. We will put y minus 8 equal to 0, y minus 70 equal to 0. Now y is equal to minus 8 becomes positive 8 and y minus 70 becomes positive 70. So here we can see that we consider y is equal to, we put y is equal to x square plus 2x this time. Now first of all we will take x square plus 2x is equal to 8 and the next time we will put x square plus 2x is equal to 70. Now x square plus 2x is positive 8. When we take in the right side positive, it becomes negative 8 equal to 0, and next time x square plus 2x positive 70 becomes negative 70 equal to 0. 8 2 4s are 8. So the factor becomes x square plus 4x minus 2x. 2 4s are 8 and plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X plus 4. X is common from these two, from this pair, and minus 2 is common from these two pair. What we get? Minus minus plus x minus minus plus 4 equal to 0. X plus 4 and x minus 2 equal to 0. First of all, we put x plus 4 equal to 0. Next, we will put x minus 2 equal to 0. X positive sign, when we take in the right side, positive sign becomes negative sign, and x is equal to positive 2. And 70, we make the factor of 70. 2 3s are 2 5s are 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, 4 5, 7 10s are 70. So there is no factor of 70, so we will apply quadratic form. X is equal to minus b. B is 2 plus minus under root b square. B is 2 square. minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 70. 2 into a is 1. So minus 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 74 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus minus 78 divided by 2. Now 78, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So it means 280, 280, 7 4s are 28, 0, 20, 284. 284. Now 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. So minus 2 plus minus 2 is pair, 2 square into 17. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, and we will take in the outside, and what is left? 71 is left divided by 2. So 2 is common. 2 minus 1 plus minus under 71 divided by 2. 2 cancel, what is left? Minus 1 plus minus under 71. So our solution set becomes minus 4, positive 2, and minus 1 plus minus under root 71. This is our required solution.